Hello.
Hello.
Hi,
Hi.
Arushi.
I'm good.
I'm good. I'm good. Long time.
Yes, actually, I think 2 months later we are
Two
having
months?
session.
That's all?
Yeah, I
Okay.
think we had last time we had session when that Tulsi Yaw was happening, and that is probably in the month of
Oh,
December, maybe. Yeah, that's why
yes. Oh,
I can.
yes. Now I can recall the session that we had earlier. Right. So how's everything
How
going?
have you been?
I'm good. I mean, everything has been going at my end, right?
Okay.
What about you? I'm trying to read that, text on your t-shirt. I am
Okay.
not sarcastic. I'm not
I'm realistic.
realistic. Okay. Cop or drop, then your hair is coming by. I can't say.
Never try to change me or something like that. Is there?
Okay.
I
Very
don't.
nice. Very savage. All right. It's nice. Okay. Right. So, Arushi, the first thing that I wanted to ask is how is your YouTube going?
YouTube is going so well. Actually, in the month of December, I worked very well, or I worked really hard. But
Okay.
when I had last session with you, I was serving my notice period. Then I took break for 1 month or more than that. And in
Oh,
that
okay.
period, I worked really hard for my YouTube. I actually had time to think about the content and then write down the content, shoot a video and upload it. Then
Awesome.
recently, like yesterday itself, I have joined new company, so I was pretty busy preparing for the things, packing and stuff, moving out from Nagpur to the other city. That's why bit busy,
Oh,
but again, I'm gonna uh, buckle up
yeah.
soon for YouTube
Okay.
video.
Awesome. Awesome. Yeah. You should, because your audience, they'll be very restless if you don't post, isn't it?
Yes. How have
You've
you
got
been?
Oh, I've been excellent. As I said, like I've been doing my job. I've been on Clapping Go. I don't take a lot of sessions now, just
Yes.
1 hour of classes. But today I took two because like there was a message from
Weekend?
Clapping Go's end. No. Like Clapping Go informed us that a lot of learners are exploring the platform. So if you can add in more hours, then it would be helpful. So I thought I'll take 1 more hour. Because of the hectic work schedule, I'm not able to come on this platform and have some fun. So, anyways, uh, it's going good. Everything is well. I had like 4 or 5 sessions today. Was fantastic. All of them were amazing. Very energetic learners these days. They're so enthusiastic and they want to learn a lot. So
YouTube,
it's
like
nice.
Clappingo is growing very well. I think ever since I have started, I can see the record or the graph is growing and growing.
Yeah,
So
it's
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 good.
very
Even,
steep. Going steep. It
yeah.
is. It is growing. It is growing indeed. Right. That's how it
And
is.
being a learner or being a learner from a long time, people like everywhere asks me like how it is, whether it is on YouTube, on Instagram. They keep asking me how it is with we should go ahead with the clapping or not,
Right.
or which plan we should take and all. And I'm like, please go ahead, take a subscription or take a demo session, and then you can decide by yourself whether you want to go ahead or not. So
Right. Yeah, absolutely. Yes. I mean, lately there has been a lot of learners, so many have joined Clapping Go, and I don't really interact with my old, learners, people like you. I think it's been almost one year, isn't it? Like you've been more than a year on Clapping Go, I guess. Not
yes,
sure.
I am.
Hmm.
Yes,
So
I
that's
have
fantastic.
been.
That's amazing. That's amazing. All right. So, I don't really interact with the let's say 1 year old learners or maybe 5 month old learners. Everyone is new these days. Everyone is new. All the learners are new. So yeah, it's going well. It's going pretty decent. I'm enjoying it. The main purpose of me being on this platform is to relieve my stress and to give some tips for the learners. Right. For me,
Yeah,
this
and
is like huh? Sorry.
yeah, it's refreshing also.
It
Something
is. It
different from
is.
your daily schedule.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. That is the reason why I'm here, and I love interacting with people. That's one thing that I really look forward to. So yeah. That's how it's been. So it has been a part of my life for the past 2 years. Clapping Go. I've been here for 2 years now. So it's
And are
fantastic.
you being consistent, or have you taken a gap or some break, something
No,
like that?
no, 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 no. I've tried to stay consistent. I think maybe like 1 or 2 days I might just take some
Yeah,
day off.
that's
I
fine.
don't take,
Small breaks
yeah,
are fine.
but otherwise I think I've been consistent on this platform. That's
Okay.
how it is. So you said that you have moved out from Nagpur,
From my city, yeah, yeah, yeah.
and where are you now?
I'm in Pune right now.
Pune. Wow, what a fantastic city.
Yes, yes.
How are
Are
you?
you like you're working in with ICICI, right?
No, 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 no. I've quit all that
Okay.
work. Yeah, I'm
Actually,
also in a new company.
when I was searching jobs, I got an offer from ICICI, and like that thing came to my mind, like when I was referring my offer letter, so I could recall that one of YouTube tutor is working there. So that's why I just asked you. But then again, I
So,
didn't accept that because the location was Hyderabad. That's why.
okay, okay. All right, that's good. I mean, just because of the location, you turned down the offer.
And like location and banking is something different from whatever I did in the
Yes.
past. And I thought I should not continue with something new right now. I should use my experience, and that's why I dropped that plan.
Okay, okay. All right, all right. So the reason is I'll be very honest with you. When you join banks, especially private banks, what happens is that they'll give you a lot of sales targets, all right, and that will mess up everything. So
Yeah, actually, I that's why I cross check with them twice and thrice that is it
yes,
for sales? Is it for sales? Because I know somewhere my friends are there, and obviously you get to know that if you're getting a position in job, there should be something. Uh,
of course.
there should be something come up with targets and all. So they
Right.
were like, no, no, according to your experience, we are not giving you something like, but still I was a little bit doubtful, and that was
They will
also a reason. Yeah.
they'll hide it in the first place, but then then after some time they'll impose a lot of sales targets. So that is the reason why I left. I couldn't tolerate it, so
Okay,
just
okay.
left.
Now it's fine,
Now
everything.
it's fine. Now I don't have sales.
Okay,
So,
great.
but I do have targets. Like we have to finish projects. I'm actually in an IT, industry right now. Like I have
Oh,
shifted from banking to softwares. So the what do you call targets are different over here. It's
yeah.
specified timeline. We have to complete the projects in this much of time. That's how the targets are these days. So yeah, it's going good. It's pretty decent.
But it's great that you have changed your like profession or from background from completely
Yeah,
banking. It's a drastic change, and it should
it
be
is. It is.
interesting.
It is. It is. Yeah, this is something that I really like doing. Banking was kind of a hectic task, so this is pretty decent. So yeah, and also the office that I'm working in, it's very close by to my house. It's just 5 minutes, so I can like go and I can come back. It's very
In
convenient
Kerala
for me.
only.
Yeah, in Kerala, in my city, like Calicut.
Wow, that's great that you're getting everything in your city. You're
Hmm.
fortunate enough.
Yeah, but I'm planning to go abroad.
Oh,
That's the main agenda. But, hopefully, yeah, I'm working towards that right now. So let's see how it goes. Right. So I was going through the document, and I have to say it was a new document for me because I've never discussed about that particular topic with anybody. So it is about owning a hotel,
yeah, yeah. I also like
right?
checked just now owning hotel, and I was like, oh my god, it's a very big topic, and we can talk about it a
Yes.
lot.
Yeah, we
And
can
yeah,
talk about it.
it's a very good topic.
Definitely. Yeah. So have you ever considered owning a hotel for yourself?
They keep saying that you should dream big or you should think big so that it will come your way or it will happen.
Yes.
If, if
Yes.
not this much, at least this much only.
Hmm.
So yeah, like why not? I can also think of owning a hotel, and I think it's a very fascinating imagination. to imagine or even think that owning a hotel. And I think now when people are exploring things, people are going out, traveling, hotels are something, is a really very big part or important part of their like whole
Hmm.
planning, or whole, yeah, planning, maybe, yeah, whole planning. People when they plan to go somewhere, they think about a destination and then where to stay. So yes, of
Right.
course, it's really important. And the uh, hospitality, I don't know whether
Exactly.
the word
Exactly.
fine or,
Yeah, it's true. Yeah, yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
the
Right, right.
hospitality matters a lot for people, because everyone wants to treat well. So yes, if some, maybe if I'm thinking about owning a hotel, I'll think about the hospitality first, because that thing will always you know rate my hotel at top. So yeah. And
Okay,
I'm
okay.
going to plan something which is not like everywhere. So I'm going to add something, or I'm going to design
Uh-huh.
a hotel in a way which is easily not available, or they will find something new or something unique in our hotel. So kind of that is going on in
Okay.
mind right now, if I'm thinking about
Okay,
owning.
okay.
Yeah.
So if you were to own a hotel, what kind of new amenities would you provide?
I think I'm going to give both the things. Some people enjoy crowd music and stuff,
Yeah.
and
Right.
some people enjoy peace and something which is close to nature. So I'm gonna add both the things in my hotel. Now the thing is that if I am giving that floor and music things, so how am I going to manage that peace things? But that will be a challenge for me. I'm going to figure out the way, because I
Hmm.
think now the technology is you know
Or advanced. Yes.
everything is available now, so I can find a way, or I can take a help
Right.
from someone. So
Of
that is
course you
the
can.
thing, because I think you will not get everything at the same place. So
Yes, yes, yes.
you can get like swimming pool and so many things like um, nowadays people are looking for luxurious rooms, spacious
Right,
rooms.
right, right.
So that things are very common, but what I'm thinking is quite not
Yeah.
similar or quite dissimilar to those things. So I
Okay.
will try to provide something unusual to my clients. Yeah.
Okay. All
I'm going
right.
to treat them well. Yeah.
This sounds really intriguing, when you said unusual. All right. Anyways, I feel that your hotel, whatever you are planning to, if you are ever going to start a hotel, then it's going to be very unique, very unique.
Yes.
That is the plan, isn't it? So yeah, we do have unique homestays or hotels in Kerala. All right, it's fantastic because some places are just for tourism. All right, so over there you can find all kinds of unique, fascinating places. Hotels,
And they
and
should have like good hotels in Kerala, because Kerala is something everyone wants to go and visit. It's something very close to nature. If
yeah,
something
yeah,
if
that's what.
someone is like you know if someone likes nature a lot, the first thing
Yes,
comes to
yes,
mind
yes.
is Kerala. Because recently one
Kerala.
of my friends went to Kerala with his family, and he has
Okay,
uploaded pictures on WhatsApp, and I was like, oh wow, I am really gonna go here.
you
So
should
yes,
you should definitely visit Kerala at
yeah,
least once. Right, right. There
it's
are so many places that you will enjoy here. Yeah, and also I think the season is fast approaching. That is, from June till not from June. Let's say from May to June, July. Those are the best time to visit Kerala
May
because that is
also, but
like,
in May it's too hot. So I think so. Like in Nagpur or in our
yeah,
cities, it's too hot.
it's comparatively hot, but you might have we might have the summer rains during that time. In Kerala, we
Okay,
will have
summer
summer rains.
rains.
Yeah, we have summer rains.
What is the concept of summer rains? I'm hearing it for the first time.
No, it's just normal rains in summer. That's all. So like when it's
Okay.
incredibly hot, it rains and it just
But
Yes,
it rains in summer.
temperature.
It's really incredible.
It does, yeah, it does. We do have that quite a, like
Okay, then
quite a
I
lot.
think
Yeah. So May, June is when the typical monsoon starts. And Kerala is beautiful in monsoon, so I think must if you're considering to visit, then definitely come during the monsoons itself because that is quite
yes.
breathtaking. The sight is just unbelievable. So that's how it is. Anyways, our session is going to end now, right? As a
Yes, I
feedback,
think 1 or 2 minutes are left.
yeah, one minute, I guess. Yeah. Anyways,
Mhm.
I think you have improved in the way you are articulating things. Everything sounded really, really good. Uh, I would say like maybe you could just work on the vocabulary part a little bit more.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
otherwise,